Welcome back. You asked how to rationalize denominator. This is what we do. We're going to look at this denominator. This is a square root 2. Therefore, we're going to multiply a very special number 1. It is written as a square root 2 over square root 2. Now, let's look at the denominator. Square root 2 times the square root 2. That gives us 2. And let's look at our numerator. 1 times the square root of 2 is square root 2. Now you're just finishing rationalize the denominator. Let's practice. All right, our next one is, all you need to do is to look at the denominator is a square root 3. Therefore, you're going to say we're going to times the square root 3 over square root 3 because this is fundamentally 1. This quantity times 1, it's still itself. All right. Now, the denominator says square root 3 times square root 3. That is 3. And the numerator says square root 3. We're just finishing rationalize another numerator. All right, what if you have a question looking like this? Let's say 5 square root 5, and exactly same thing. We're going to times square root of 5 over square root of 5, and our denominator says 5. Our numerator says 5 times the square root of 5. Don't stop here because 5 divided by 5, that is 1. We simplified. So finally we have square root 5. All right, that's how you rationalize denominator. Very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy learning.